cool inventions that should be in every city. In South Korean schools, they have boards like these. They're equipped with an electronic scanner that erases everything written and saves it so students can download their notes. I wish we had this in my classroom because I hated copying down everything the teacher wrote. This page has an assignment with a QR code that, if you scan it, will take you to a video explaining how to complete all these tasks. These are the kinds of things that can only exist in Japan, a refrigerator that comes to you when you call it. Yes, it might seem a little strange, but it's perfect for those times when you're lying on the couch and too lazy to get up for a drink. This guy was left speechless when he saw that his hospital had a vein finder that helps doctors locate the exact spot where they need to give you an injection. This is the simplest of them all, but also one of the most useful. This chair has a small hole so you can hang your backpack on it and it won't slip off.